In this video, we are going to talk about best ways to make money on Instagram. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. At first glance, it might seem hard to imagine how you can monetize Instagram. It's primarily a photo sharing app, after all. But think about the hundreds of thousands the Kardashians make for a single Instagram post, or the top bloggers who earn a few $1,000s for content collaborations on Instagram, and you might reconsider. These Instagrammers have reach and influence all worked out. Together, these two factors offer Instagram content creators the opportunity to explore various revenue streams. Here's our list of the best ways to make money on Instagram. Let's start. Become a storytelling consultant. A picture, and sometimes a video in this case, is worth 1,000 words. If you're particularly good at using them to tell a story, you can monetize this talent of yours. Leverage your knack for storytelling to help brands write compelling narratives for themselves. This is different from being a social media consultant. Here, you're the person responsible for creating content for brands to post on their Instagram accounts. Typically, that means you'd avoid posting the same content on your personal account. Zach Houghton is one artist adept at weaving thought-provoking tales that he frequently posts on his page. A number of brands often hire him to create narratives for them. Sell digital products. Building on what we talked about in the previous point, you can use your Instagram account to sell digital products as well. Having established yourself as a subject matter expert, you can market digital resources that your followers might find useful. From travel guides and ebooks to fitness programs, there's a lot you can offer. If people love what you post on Instagram, chances are they'll be willing to pay for more detailed, targeted information. And why not, given the platform has so much to offer? These digital resources are selling well on Instagram, and brands love this concept for obvious reasons. Digital products are a multi-billion-dollar industry, and platforms like Instagram make it simple to market resources and start earning your share. Whether you have an ebook or an online course, you know where to turn to market and sell your digital products. Launch your e-commerce store. By now, you're probably thinking the only way for you to make money on Instagram is to collaborate with brands. But that isn't the case. If you're a product creator, Instagram is a great platform for you to market your products. Your products are an extension of you as a brand, so build a business around them with a focus on your audience. By selling your own creations on Instagram, you don't need to worry about integrating brand messages into your posts. The only brand you need to worry about is your own. You can incorporate a link to your e-commerce landing page in your bio. Better yet, utilize the Shop Now advertising button that Instagram added to help e-commerce businesses. You could use print-on-demand services to print and ship merchandise like t-shirts, coffee mugs and wall art. Fashion and health businesses are particularly famous for using Instagram as a marketing platform for their e-commerce stores. Earn bonuses from Instagram themselves. Instagram, and its parent company, Meta Platforms, wants to compete with TikTok. In an effort to tempt creators off TikTok and onto Instagram, Meta unveiled its bonuses program last year. The $1 billion fund incentivizes creators to develop reels and short-form videos that attract lots of views and engagement. Reels are a new Instagram marketing strategy that is separate from Instagram posts, Instagram stories, and Instagram live videos. If you're curious about how to make money on Instagram using this approach, know that entertaining content will be the name of the game. Think of Instagram and Meta as talent scouts in this instance. They want to persuade the most innovative and effective creators on social media to make money on Instagram instead of other apps. publish sponsored posts for brands. Influencer marketing is one of the most popular strategies brands rely on, with 94% of marketers finding it effective. Whether you're a macro or micro influencer, if you're an expert in your niche, you will be successful. Brands are always looking to collaborate with Instagrammers of all sizes to deliver their targeted messages to prospective consumers. Sponsored posts can take the form of a simple brand mention, a product review or even a testimonial. Most sponsored post deals like these are negotiable and can range from a single post to a complete campaign. When setting your rate, remember that you're not just offering your content to brands. More importantly, you're giving them access to your followers and usage rights too. Get sponsorships, paid partnerships, and/or brand deals. You've probably seen posts before on Instagram that have the phrase paid partnership with _ under someone's name. These are examples of sponsored posts, and sponsorships can come your way sooner than you think. Being an influencer is something that is available to all of us as micro-influencers. Micro-influencers are what brands are looking for these days. An engaged community of Instagram users who know you, like you, and trust you are key to being an influencer. The brand deals Instagram influencers negotiate outside of the app can be valued at 4 or even 5 figures. Don't try to pull a fast one on companies or brands, though. Influencer marketing has gotten way savvier in recent years, and businesses will do their due diligence on you before bringing you on for any sort of sponsorship. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing can be a good revenue stream once you've got a sizable following. Essentially, it involves partnering with a brand to generate awareness as well as sales in exchange for a commission. This is usually done via trackable URL or unique promo code that the influencer adds to their posts. You'll earn a commission, anywhere from 5 to 15%, for the number of people who use your link to make a purchase. Considering Instagram doesn't allow you to add links outside your bio, you can focus on only one product at a time. This is why incorporating promo codes in your posts is a good option for Instagram. Have your followers paid you directly? If you want to be paid by followers, your focus should be on helping your followers understand why they need the thing that you sell. Why should they care, and why should they buy this now? Use every Instagram post as an opportunity to connect with your audience, and notice how many followers engage with you along the way. Over the years, Instagram has rolled out tools to help followers purchase from or tip their favorite creators directly within the app. Some of the most recent updates include Instagram Shopping, a feature that allows e-commerce companies to tag and promote their products from their Instagram shop directly in posts. Badges and Stars, features in which Instagram users can contribute in the moment when a creator is live. Think of badges and stars as ways to tip your favorite creators who have the features enabled. Instagram subscriptions, a Patreon-style feature that allows Instagram users to subscribe to creators directly from the app. Do you have a quality audience for good engagement? Your reach and influence depend on the quality of your audience. It is the only factor that decides how much engagement you will get, which further decides how influential your posts are. Because of the Instagram algorithm, your post will initially be visible to only 10% of your audience. If it gets a lot of engagement, then it will be visible to the other 90% of your audience. If it gets less engagement, you will lose out on it appearing at the top of Instagram feeds. One of the main reasons for low engagement is fake or inactive followers, so make sure you first focus on getting a quality audience. Once you have a quality audience, you can start earning money on Instagram in the following ways. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, Be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.